O wall of Jerusalem, let Nehemiah come in. We see your disaster, we see the ways. All gets burned down by fire. Let Nehemiah come in. His workers have a mind to work, her hands are strengthened. Like an eagle soaring, we are rising. We're building, yeah, 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 yeah. Sanballat, Tobiah, Gershon are mocking, laughing and scorning, but we are building, we're building, yeah, 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 yeah. They're angry, calling us feeble. Come ye people, we are strong and able. God is on our side. We're building, yeah, 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 yeah. Envy, conspiracy can't take us back. We're under great attack. Prepare for war, prepare to win. Don't ever give in, organize, although criticize. We're building, yeah, 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 yeah. Working to a finish. They set to do me mischief, to do Nehemiah mischief. Messengers reporting, I'm doing a great work so that I cannot calm down. We're building, yeah, 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 yeah. The wall must be completed. Porters, sayers, Levites must be appointed. Ezra must come and please bring Ezra in. The book of the law must be set up again. Please set up the book of the law again. The people must hear from God. The people must hear from God. The God of heaven and earth. The God of both great and small. The God who's helping us build back Jerusalem walls. The people must hear from God. The people must hear from God, both great and small. The God who's helping us build back Jerusalem walls. The God who's helping us build back